My God, look at the engine. You could literally eat off of this engine, and you can just say that, but it is perfect. What's going on, everybody? Honda Pro Jason here in Switzerland at Firo Car. And yes, Switzerland, you guys are not gonna believe the Hondas he has here. So this is a restoration and collector's kind of museum-ish. And when you see the cars, you're gonna freak out. So we have outside cars, garage cars, and then the showroom cars, which we're gonna save for last. So let's start outside. This S800, a lot of these are old school cars. So this is a 1970 S800. And what I want you guys to look at is the quality. Like, come here, look at all the chrome. Chrome is absolutely beautiful. The rubber, another thing I look at when I look at cars that have been restored, like, did they really take the time to replace the rubber or restore the rubber, which they did? The interior of this one is in really, really nice shape. And this is his runner, like this is the car he drives. So it's not as perfect as the display cars inside the showroom, but man, it is so good all the way around. Like every so often you see an S800 convertible, but not in this condition and not, he has like 9 of them I'm gonna show you guys today. It's totally crazy. So I'm gonna jump in here for a second. I wanna show you a couple things, how simple everything is. So here's your horn, right? Your trip meter, your speedometer, your tachometer, by the way, 8,500 RPM. You have a couple of warning lights. You have a temperature gauge, fuel and amperage gauge. Your headlights are right here. You can see the amperage change once I turn the headlights on. You have your wipers, slow or fast. Your choke to start the car. Here's where things get interesting. You have a heater, right? So you have your heater or your defrost, those are your only 2 choices. You have the driver or both, recircuit or fresh, but you wanna know where the fan speed is? Right down here. So this is off. This is fan 1, fan 2, and fan 3. Cool, right? Okay, so I'm gonna show you a couple cars that aren't from the 70s. Del Sol, beautiful, absolutely gorgeous condition. Very European, so it's got the European plate. It's got the European side markers on it. Other than that, I'm trying to remember what else made this different. Oh, it's got the European rear fog light in the rear. S2000, a color we never got in the US. Again, absolutely beautiful. We didn't get this either where it said Honda up on the top, and I believe our indicator was pushed back a little bit. Different headlights. All European S2000s had headlight washers. Not integrated very well, but hey, they washed the headlights. It was actually a law out in Europe. If you had xenon headlights, you had to have headlight washers. Would you like to know why? I could tell you why. The old headlights would warm up and the snow and everything would melt off of them, or the ice would melt off of them. These don't have any heat, and because they don't have the heat, the snow didn't melt off, so the government said you need to put washers on them to clean them. Now you know. What else we got down here? There's a Mini, and there's an Opel with a Viper engine in it. You guys don't want to see that though. And there's a Porsche little convertible from like the 60s, probably worth $1 million. You don't care about that. What you guys want to see are more Hondas, and I'm going to show you them because we're starting up here with a wide body first gen Honda Civic. This is the second wide body first gen Civic I've ever seen in my entire life. And I like this one because unlike the one in Guatemala my friend owns, this one here, the body come over to the side. These body panels, instead of just being smoothed in, they're like riveted on, which I think is super, super cool. I love that. I love how everything's notched out. Man, and again, just the quality. Take a look at all the rubber all the way around, all the chrome. Everything is done so well. Your smoke black tinted windows look sick. And inside, oh, step around this side. You guys see this door card. Look at that. Absolutely, positively good. I gotta have a seat in this. I gotta have a seat in this. I gotta have a seat. Ooh, oh, okay. I can do this. It's a little bit narrow for my back, but I can do this. Interesting choice in radio though. They put like a brand new CD player in there with everything else. Mugen shifter. This is so cool though. Oh my gosh. What do you guys think of my hat, by the way? Now, looky, 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 looky. So, I told you they restore cars here, right? That's the restoration. Body here, frame there, complete frame off restoration. And I don't know where they are in the restoration, but man, it is going to be absolutely beautiful. What? Look at this, come here, come in here, come in. This is, I've never ever seen this. So the chrome is held by this with like a nut on it and like screws, and I wonder if this gets loose, if this is meant to be tightened to bring this back in a little bit. That'd be some pretty crazy engineering, Mr. Honda. I've never ever seen that before. That's so cool. Again though, the rubber, all the rubber looks like it's all new or refurbished. All the chrome looks gorgeous. I mean, what an awesome, awesome example. Insane. Croissant. I'm telling you, when you come to Europe, the pastries are where it's at, for sure. S800, S800, convertible and coupe. You know what I want to do? Let me see. I should have done this to the one outside. I did ask him before. I'm like, hey, listen, can I get in the cars? He goes, yeah. I go, can I start them? He goes, yeah. I go, which ones? He goes, anything you want. So let me see if this one starts up. Let's see here. Electric fuel pump, let's see. Of course it starts, it's a Honda. I am in heaven, for sure. Man. I mean, how could you come to a garage like this and not at least start one of the cars, right? Wow, oh my gosh. What garage wouldn't be complete without a full pantry? Let's see, what do we got here? We don't have this back in Chicago or back in the US. I have no idea what this is. We don't have this, but okay. I have one favorite sauce. You guys are all gonna laugh at me. I have a favorite sauce and it's this here. Would you like to know why this is my favorite sauce? Because guess what? We don't have this in America. And everyone in Europe thinks this is what we all eat. And I've never ever seen this in America. It's called American burger sauce. I've actually brought this to some burger places and they want to import it. So actually they have a couple. I might be taking this home. Oh my gosh. Wine selection. Okay, back to the cars. I don't know where this is from, but I'm sure there's an awesome story behind it. Another S800 coupe. S800 convertible. Arbarth, whatever. And then it looks like 600 probably up on top, ready for restoration. And that is just the garage. Now I'm going to show you guys the showroom. And if you waited this long, it's going to be worth the wait because the showroom is spectacular. Let's make our way back into the showroom. Everything's so clean too, by the way. I'm sorry. Let me talk about the detail before you get in the cars. You can show them kind of a preview here. But take a look at the handle to that window. Zoom, get in real close to the handle of that window. The handle of the window is a Honda H. What is up? They took, okay, so, Honda Monkey. I've never seen that before. Okay, so, the Honda Monkey. Every kickstand I've ever used on a motorcycle. See the kickstand down there? You lift up the bike and then you have to kick the kickstand in, right? Therefore, you don't drive around with the kickstand off. Watch what happens here. Watch the kickstand. Ready? Okay, that's kind of cool. Yes, I'm impressed by little things. Okay, some more late 60s S's. So I think we have if I remember correctly, he said this was a 67, a 65, and a 66. But what I want you guys to look at, this is an S800. See this right down here? That's an S600. I don't even need to look at the side to tell you which one they are, because if you look at the front of the car, come over here, You see this here? This bump in the hood tells you it's an S800. Look at that one over there. Get closer to that one. You see no bump in the hood? That means that's a 600. They put the bump for the extra clearance. So when you guys walk around to car shows now, you know these are all 800s, those are all 600s. And my God, look at the engine. You could literally eat off of this engine, and you can just say that, but it is perfect. Everything is, all these are perfect, lined up perfectly. Look at the electronics. Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, like, I did find some dirt. They got to work on that a little bit. But besides that, the rubber, the wiper inserts. I'm feeling the bottom. You guys can't feel this, but let me tell you, these are brand new. These are brand new wiper inserts, probably never been used. That's how crazy these, oh, this interior. No more of me. Like, stop filming me, just film this. This is insane. Wardrobe change. I've never seen a red dash in an S800, or the seats, or the door panels, or that center console. Look at this. Absolutely, positively, I pulled that right out. How about that? Better? Take two. There we go. This is gorgeous. Absolutely. Oh my gosh, come over here. Same under the engine. Just super, super crazy clean. And then they have something special. They actually have an F1 racer. I don't know who. F1 racer actually signed this. And the interior is nuts. God, over and over these cars, just like, and it's not just the cars here. Not like, oh, they got some cars, they clean them up. It's the memorabilia. It's the stuff they have on the walls, all the racing that they've done in the S800s and 600s. The Super Cherry Action Gamble. Cash out, bet. I don't even know where to put them. Oh, money goes in here. Ready? Let's see how lucky we are. Money? Oh, we're not that lucky. This is the race car, by the way. This is cool. I don't have the specifics on it, but I'm sure the chassis is set up. Look at how the mirrors are mounted. The mirrors are mounted here, so they take up less space so you can rub and do all the stuff you need to do. Race seats, race steering wheel. See the roll cage in the back. It is race ready. Protection back here for the fuel tank. A lot of thought went into this for sure. And by the way, if you guys want to know what a S-Series key looks like, it looks kind of like this. Not really much to it. I love that. I might take home the American sauce and this keychain, we'll see. A couple motorcycles here. This is kind of interesting. Of everything we've seen today, all the craziness that we walked around, there has been nothing underneath the cars like for oil leaks, except for one vehicle, and it's the Harley Davidson. 1947 Harley Davidson is leaking everywhere. But that's it, that's the only one. There's I think that's a 60 next to it, a Honda 60 Trail, here it is. This is no leaks. I'm trying on all the hats today. Got some transmissions chilling here, hanging out. A ton of models. I didn't even look at all these last time. I don't see a lot of Hondas, so let's just continue on. And then they have his office filled with books, way more memorabilia. I mean, there's just tons and tons of crazy stuff here. I know, I'm always afraid of grabbing stuff. I'm afraid I'm gonna break it. They're gonna be like, you're the American that came by and broke that. So I try to be a little careful. Steering wheels. I actually have, one of these steering wheels. It's NOS, so it's still in the plastic. It was given to me by somebody in Indonesia or the Philippines. In the Philippines. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I might put it on one of my old cars. This is really cool though. Tons of books. If you guys are bicycle people, this is probably something really cool. I don't know anything about bikes, so there you go. So what do you guys think? Were you expecting this when I said I have a video from Switzerland? Probably not. But as always, guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. And this time from Switzerland, I'm the Honda Pro, and now you're in the know. Well, looking at all these cars is one thing, but driving them is another. So he said I could take out the S800. So let's do this. Oh, baby.